this video I'm going to show you all the options to create playlist on your TikTok. So we have some options, so I will show all of them. So the first one is just to open the TikTok and then just go to your profile like this, and here we can see the option sort videos into playlist. So if you don't have it, all you need is just to click on this button, and after that we can see the tutorial how to create the playlist. So all we need is just to click on start creating, and now we can just create it right up here. So all we need is just to enter the playlist name. So after that just click on next, and we can choose the videos we want to add to our playlist, for example like this. Then just click on done, and as you can see our playlist was successfully added. So we can see it right up in our profile. So we can just click on plus once more and create one more playlist, so for example PL2. Then click on next, and we can also choose the necessary video we want to edit to.
Увидимся следующим.
This is the second option. So after that we can also add a video to our playlist. For example, just click on the video, then click on more in the right bottom corner, and then just click on add to playlist. So here we can see all the playlists we also created, and we can create one more playlist, by the way, so PL3. So then just click on create playlist and then just click on add. So now if we'll open our profile, here we can see 3 playlists, and one more option we can create the playlist is just to editing video. We can just on this page, on the editor page, we can just click on add to playlist. We can choose the playlist which we have, or we can just create one more playlist. So as you can see, there are a lot of options to create. Just PL4 and then click on done. I won't upload it, but you saw the option how can you do this by yourself. So now we have 3 playlists we created in this video. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.